My top 5 tools of 2025. The problem is I couldn't narrow it down to 5. So we got like 7. So just bear with me. I know the video is going to be called my top 5 tools, but it's going to be my top 7, okay? Top 7 tools I've purchased in 2025. Some of them you may know, some of them you may not know. It's a mixed bag of different companies and batteries and tools, but just stick around here, make sure you subscribe and all that type of stuff and find out what them tools are. To hear that noise an impact driver makes, let's be honest, it's freaking annoying. Who wants to hear that 8 hours a day? I sure as hell don't. Well, with this quiet hydraulic impact driver, you don't get that noise. It's quiet. You can put compact, tiny batteries on it. Got more than enough power. Ergonomically great. Lightweight. Just one of the best tools of 2025 that I've purchased. Without a doubt, you can't go into too much about an impact driver. It does one thing. It screws in fasteners. I could not leave the DeWalt 60-volt flex volt brushless, cordless, 12-inch miter saw out of this list. This is by far one of the crown jewels of my shop. It slices through everything like nothing. Absolutely a awesome piece of machinery. You got the skill. You got so many oscillating multi-tools, but you chose the rigid? Hell yeah, I chose the rigid. Orange Crush Mafia, baby. This is the best oscillating multi-tool on the market. I don't care what anybody says. They don't know what they're talking about if they tell you any different. No vibration when you use it. 3 speeds, electronic gearbox. Ton of power. Doesn't make a lot of noise. Lightweight, very ergonomic. I love the trigger. You know, on a lot of them oscillating multi-tools, they got that goofy dial, and then you got to slide the button up. Not this. You got a variable speed trigger. So you can control it. So just leave it on high and feather the trigger. So many multi-tools do not have that option, okay? It also comes with a lifetime warranty per rigid service agreement. We're going to warranty your tools because they're going to go bankrupt and blah, 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 blah. Here's what I say to that. Because I buy the tool and not the name on the tool. Okay? I'm not worried about a damn warranty. You want to know why? Because I know this is going to last. It's good quality stuff. And this is my favorite, most used drill out of the 30 some odd drills I own. I love this thing. I love Flex so much. I got my stepfather in the Flex, and guess what? He now loves it. Captain Dick. He's a big Flex guy now because he loves it. He loves the battery technology, the stacked lithium, or AKA double stack batteries. This thing's got more power than 99.9% of the drills on the market. It's smooth. It's ergonomical. It's a tiny bit heavy, but it's definitely not the heaviest on the market. By far my favorite drill that I use today, bar none. It is the most fun drill. And you want to know why it's the most fun drill? Because guess what? No other drills have this. This is without turbo mode. Turbo engaged. Battery powered 5-inch orbitable sander. The GEX 18V-5. Okay? It is smooth. It is quiet. No vibration. This metal does not get hot. Some other companies, this metal gets super hot, and with my big hands, my fingers touch it, and it burns me. Okay? I reach for this before I reach for any sander, and I got a lot of sanders. This is by far the best sander I've ever used. Now, some people will say, well, Judge, I got a Festool, blah, blah, blah. Your Festool costs $900. This costs $79. Yeah, $79. And guess what? The Festool isn't $900 better. That's all I'm saying, okay? No bullshit, no burning, no nothing. It's just smooth, baby. Just smooth. I use it with an 8 amp hour forged battery. Dust collection is great. There isn't dust going everywhere. You hook it up to your dust collection system, and boom, you don't got a big cleanup. Because let's be honest, cleaning up all that shit at the end of the day sucks. That's why a lot of us don't do it. I do it because I don't want dust everywhere. So that's a huge plus. And I tell you what, I had a Vevor one. The Vevor did its job when I used it. But this is such an upgrade from the Vevor, and so great and just awesome. I could not leave this Milwaukee fuel track saw off my list of best tools of 2025. Without a doubt, I love it. Some people may argue about that. I have not had an issue yet, and I've been using it nonstop for the last 2 weeks. Haven't had an issue with it yet. Absolutely love it. And not having a cord attached to your track saw that get caught on the track is also another huge plus. That was the one thing I hated about the Vevor. That cord would get caught on the track as you were trying to make your pass. You would have to stop, get the cord off, and then finish your pass. Not this one. A conversation with you guys while the vacuum's running. It doesn't hurt my ears. My ears right next to the motor. It does not damage my ears. Smooth, powerful, quiet, awesome. Just freaking awesome. This would have been my most favorite tool of 2025, but I stumbled upon a tool that I didn't think I needed, and I definitely didn't need it, but I got it for such a good price, and I fell in love with it the first pass I made with it. Y'all can probably guess what that tool is, but we're going to talk about this one. 50% quieter than any other shop vac, got more than enough power, great shop vac. If you're sick and tired of your loud me shop vac screaming all day long, which happens to me because I'm in the pro shop business drilling balls all day long, get yourself one of these. Trust me, it's worth the investment.
Socket for metric. It has American, okay, has all them sockets. It has not only a little extension, it has a big extension. You don't get them in kits. You don't get them. Guess what? It also has a swivel. You don't get swivels in no kit, known to man.
Where would you use the? Why would you use these? Nut drivers, stuff like that.
If you're work on a car in a tight spot, and you got a little ratchet, slow profile. Mm-hmm. It also has. I don't know if y'all know that, but it has the safety bits. It's called security bits. They use them for a lot of different things. They actually have a hole drilled. You might, if you don't know about them, you think it's a Torx. You look at it, but it is a Torx, but it has the hole in the center, and they're called security bits. I never knew what they were until probably 5 years ago, and some things you have to have. Say you got like the vacuums and different things. You want to take it apart and clean it out. You can't. Safety bit because they want you to buy a new one. Yeah. So it has that, and it has a nut driver, so you can put that on it, and it's just so unique.
And the low profile ratchet.
And also it has sometimes, you got a corner you can't get into because your drill hits the corner you can't get in, so it has a long extension. So you put your bit on that. It's just so versatile. It has everything. And most don't. I don't even know anybody that have all these with a swivel and everything. Yeah. They don't. Yeah. And I do have kits, little kits like this. Now I have one of these. But the other ones I had to put a swivel in it. Yeah. Different extensions and everything.
You had to mix match them.
Because sometimes you go in there, I need a longer extension. You can't do it. But this has everything to do everything.
All right. Well, There you go. Captain Dick's. Yep. And it's a hand tool. Captain Dick's top tool of 2025 right there. The Icon bit and socket set with the ratchet and the nut driver and all the security bits and the extensions and the swivels. Really nice little kit that Harbor Freight put on. Like I said, Harbor Freight has a purpose in our world. It's got the nice coating over the metal to protect it. It's got this extension table here. This table folds down and in. It's just a great tool. It is cordless. The fence lights up. I mean, everything about it is just great. It's got more than enough power. It's awesome. And I love it. Another cool feature, it's got all your stuff that's being held there. That's your push stick, your lock for your fences right here. Everything is right in front of you, not underneath, not around the corner. It's all right there. Just an awesome, awesome tool from an awesome tool company. Oh, there you have it. These are my top tools of 2025. Tell me what your top tools are of 2025 in the comments. I love each and every one of these tools. They are the best, I believe, at what they do. I use them almost every day. I absolutely love them. And as you can tell, we got DeWalt, we got Flex, we got Bosch, we got Milwaukee, we got Rigid, we got Flex over there again, and we also got the DeWalt shop vac. The Flex table's on the shop vac. So this theory that you got to be locked into one company is kind of a farce. I want to have the best tool for the job. Helps me do the job better. They're more fun to use that way. And these are definitely my top tools of 2025. Please give us a like, a subscribe, all that type of stuff. And please have a happy and safe new year out there. Call a designated driver, call a cab, call an Uber. Don't drink and drive. Have a good time. And wake up the next day still intact. Happy New Year, everybody. We love y'all. Become a member of this channel for 99 cents. And as soon as we hit 10,000 subs, we will be doing a massive giveaway with tons of great tools, guys. So get us to 10K. We'll get that giveaway going, okay? Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you for everything.